everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna go check out the progress on my house. I drove by the site a few days ago and I saw the roof trusses sitting on the side. So I have a strong feeling that the roof is going up this week. So we're gonna go drive by and check it out and see if any more of the framing has been done. Probably a good portion of the third level of the house is gonna be framed. And let's see if we can do a little bit of our own frame walk, potentially. We've got our little buddy right here keeping us company today. I also wanted to add that I was trying some new skincare that I had put in a vlog that I did a few weeks back. The product was from The Ordinary, and someone had asked me to give them an update on how they liked it. I use it every night, so I use the niacinamide serum as well as the buffet serum when I get out of the shower. I do buffet first and then the niacinamide. Usually I'll use a moisturizer, but sometimes I fall asleep without using the moisturizer, but I'll put it on in the morning after I wash my face. I usually get a breakout once a month on my face near like the forehead area and definitely under my chin. This month was the first time in forever that I didn't get a really bad breakout. I feel like it has to do with the serums that I've been using recently. So there's a little bit of an update for you. I've honestly seen instant results and I haven't changed anything other than switching out those 3 products that I've talked about before. I'm loving it so far. You got a hair on your, oh boy. So yeah, overall, loving it so far, but I will update you guys if I notice any other changes. So today we're able to get into the house and do a little frame walk, so I'll show you guys around what everything looks like. So excited! Starting off on the ground floor, we have our home office, the entrance to our basement, and our laundry room is also on the ground floor. Making our way up to the second floor, we have the powder room as soon as you get to the top of the stairs. And there is our nice big kitchen with the dining area right in front of the patio. Our nice little patio over top of our garage. And it looks straight through to our living room area. So this is where we'll have our TV set up. Moving to the 3rd floor, we have all our bedroom areas. So right at the top of the stairs is a main bedroom, a linen closet. This is going to be my office. So this is the 2nd bedroom. And then right beside it, we have our guest bedroom, the 3rd bedroom. They all have closets in them, which is super nice. And it looks like the framing of the roof is almost completed. Nice large windows, which I'm super excited for. All the nice natural lighting. And then over here is our master bedroom. I have a nice big closet.
Because this doesn't look like a tub, right? And this comes
No, I think, I'm not sure actually. We'll have to look at the plans.
There's no way a tub is this one. This is not right.
This is quite narrow for a tub, I think. Yeah. Probably, yeah.
So I think your countertop, and whatever has to go here?
Yeah, probably.
It's probably right here.
No, the toilet's beside the countertop. And then also in our master bedroom, we have the master ensuite behind this wall here. There's a nice big walk-in shower that we'll have with a glass enclosure and 2 double vanity sinks. I'll be rubbed up in the sense. It's pretty big, though. Look at the size of my closet. So excited. I can't believe that one day this is going to be my office. That's crazy. I'm just so excited. And these huge closets. I can't wait for all the drywall to go up and to actually see everything.